everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you a collection of amazing modern kitchen designs and kitchen ideas for contemporary kitchen that blend style and functionality. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. In the fast-paced world of home decor and design, modern kitchen design has become a popular choice for homeowners seeking a stylish and functional culinary haven. Blending sleek aesthetics with cutting-edge technology, a modern kitchen embodies the essence of contemporary living. Join us on this captivating journey as we explore the core elements that make a kitchen truly modern and discover 10 stunning design ideas to inspire your own culinary oasis. What makes a kitchen modern in design? At its core, modern kitchen design embraces simplicity, clean lines, and a minimalist approach. It eliminates unnecessary clutter and focuses on creating a space that is visually appealing, functional, and efficient. Modern kitchens often feature smooth surfaces, high-quality materials, and a neutral color palette, allowing natural light to accentuate the beauty of the space. If you're working with a small kitchen, fear not, as modern design principles can be applied to spaces of any size. To modernize a small kitchen, maximize functionality by incorporating clever storage solutions. Utilize vertical space with open shelves or install sleek cabinets that provide ample storage without overwhelming the area. Opt for light colors and reflective surfaces to create an illusion of space, and consider integrating smart appliances to optimize efficiency. Now, let's explore the key differences between a classic and modern kitchen. While a classic kitchen exudes timeless elegance and traditional charm, a modern kitchen is characterized by its simplicity and sleekness. Classic kitchens often showcase intricate details, ornate cabinetry, and decorative elements, while modern kitchens prioritize clean lines, minimalist aesthetics, and the innovative use of materials. The choice between classic and modern ultimately depends on your personal style and the overall design theme of your home. What should be in a modern kitchen? Let's dive into the essential elements that define a contemporary culinary space. 1. Minimalist aesthetics. Embrace simplicity by opting for clean lines, uncluttered countertops, and sleek cabinetry that hide away appliances and kitchenware. 2. High-quality materials. Incorporate premium materials such as stainless steel, glass, natural stone, and wood to add sophistication and durability to your kitchen. 3. Functional layout. Ensure an efficient workflow by arranging your kitchen in a way that optimizes ease of movement and access to essential tools and appliances. 4. Streamlined appliances. Invest in state-of-the-art, energy-efficient appliances that seamlessly integrate into your kitchen design and enhance its functionality. 5. Ample lighting. Maximize natural light through large windows or skylights, and supplement it with strategic lighting fixtures to create a bright and inviting ambience. 6. Sleek countertops. Choose low-maintenance, smooth surfaces like quartz or solid surface materials that provide both style and practicality. 7. Smart storage solutions. Utilize intelligent storage options such as pull-out drawers, hidden cabinets, and innovative organizers to maximize space and minimize clutter. 8. Bold accents. Inject personality and visual interest into your modern kitchen with vibrant pops of color, statement light fixtures, or eye-catching backsplashes. 9. Open concept design. Consider an open floor plan that seamlessly connects your kitchen to the dining and living areas, promoting a sense of spaciousness and sociability. 10. Technology integration. Embrace the future by incorporating smart home technology, such as touchless faucets, automated lighting, and voice-controlled appliances, for added convenience and innovation. Now that you've absorbed the essence of modern kitchen design, it's time to unleash your creativity and embark on the transformation of your culinary space. Let these 10 striking ideas inspire you. 1. Industrial chic. Combine raw materials like concrete, exposed brick, and stainless steel with sleek cabinetry and minimalist lighting for an edgy, urban appeal. 2. Scandinavian simplicity. Embrace the Scandinavian design ethos with light woods, clean lines, and a neutral color palette, creating a calming and welcoming atmosphere. 3. Monochromatic elegance. Opt for a sophisticated black and white color scheme, punctuated by sleek appliances and dramatic lighting, for a timeless yet modern aesthetic. 4. Nature's touch. Infuse organic elements such as stone, wood, and plants into your kitchen design to create a harmonious connection with the surrounding environment. 5. Pop of color. Make a bold statement by introducing a vibrant hue as an accent wall, cabinet fronts, or colorful appliances, adding personality and energy to your space. 6. Minimalist luxury. Combine understated elegance with premium materials like marble countertops, designer fixtures, and a curated selection of artwork for a refined look. 7. Hidden storage solutions. Optimize space by incorporating concealed storage compartments and integrated appliances, maintaining a clutter-free and seamless appearance. 8. Tech haven. Embrace the latest kitchen innovations, such as smart refrigerators, touchless faucets, and voice-controlled lighting, for a truly futuristic culinary experience. 9. Timeless modernism. Achieve a harmonious balance between classic and modern elements by integrating timeless pieces, like mid-century modern furniture and retro-inspired accents. 10. The art of transparency. Embrace transparency with glass cabinets, open shelving, or a glass backsplash, showcasing your kitchenware and adding an airy, contemporary touch. At Homes Decor Designs, we believe that a modern kitchen is a true reflection of your style and a testament to the transformative power of thoughtful design. Let your culinary oasis become a captivating space that celebrates your individuality and enhances your daily life. With these insightful tips and captivating ideas, you are now equipped to embark on your modern kitchen design journey. Join us at Homes Decor Designs for more inspiring home decor and design content, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with the latest trends and expert insights. Your kitchen is the heart of your home, and a modern design can breathe new life into this essential space. By embracing simplicity, functionality, and sleek aesthetics, you can create a contemporary kitchen that not only caters to your culinary needs, but also becomes a stylish haven for family and friends to gather. Let the ideas and principles of modern kitchen design guide you on a transformative journey, as you craft a space that reflects your personal style and elevates your everyday living experience. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of amazing modern kitchen design ideas for your inspiration. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you, and see you on the next videos.